AI, machine learning, deep learning. Everyone throws these terms around like they mean the same thing, but they don't. And the difference actually matters. Think of it like sports. Sports is the big category. Ball sports is a type of sport. Basketball is just a type of ball sport. Same thing here, just swap the labels. AI is the umbrella. Any machine that mimics human intelligence. That includes things like chess programs from the 1990s. No learning, just rules someone programmed in. Machine learning is a subset of AI. Instead of writing out every single rule by hand, you feed the machine a ton of data and let it figure out the patterns itself. That's the big shift. The machine learns. Deep learning is just a subset of machine learning. It uses something called neural networks, layers and layers of math loosely inspired by how your brain works. The more layers, the deeper the network. That's literally where the name comes from. And here's the thing. When people say AI today, what they almost always mean is deep learning. ChatGPT, deep learning. Image generators, deep learning. Voice assistants, deep learning. The other stuff still exists, but deep learning is what took over. So to recap, machine learning teaches machines from data with no manual rules needed, and deep learning uses neural networks to do that learning at massive scale. Nested dolls. Sports, ball sports, basketball. Now you know what people actually mean when they say AI. Follow for the next video in this series. We're breaking down AI from zero to hero, one concept at a time. This has been Daniel with Cadmus Lab. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.